I am Sam and I can talk so fast. But I created a sound that's so annoying. Can you listen this 30 seconds? Well, if you can, thumbs up. If you can't, thumbs down. Let's get started.
It's a YouTube party, it's a YouTube party, it's a YouTube party, it's a
Chillin', drinking beer with my boy Shane Dawson. I finished up that bottle just 'cause empty is awesome. Nigga, he got called, he was acting all bizarre, hanging outside of the bar, wasting time chasing cars. We agreed to meet Nigga at the club at 10 o'clock, like Alpha Cat and Mika Kitty hanging in the letterbox. A YouTube party, well it just might be. I grabbed my iPhone, my iPod, and my iJustine. Our boys pulled up outside in the ride. I was like, sup, Ricky, Dave's is gonna drive. We picked up Tim De La Ghetto from the suburb up the block. I stayed soundly awake, listening to Fluffy talk.
It's a YouTube party, it's a YouTube party, it's a YouTube party, it's a YouTube party, it's a
Dave got restless and he took another route. He put the pedal to the metal with his thunderfoot. He lost control of the wheel and the car started to skid. What the buck? I can't die, I gotta live, lava live. We pulled into the club and you wouldn't believe it. The place was tightly packed like Lisa Nova's cleavage. The music made me bad and it was more than I could handle till the DJ changed the station to Community Channel. I was acting like a shaytar, dancing with my friends when this hottie came up and said, hey, it's Brent. My name is Ray, but I could tell she was a lonely girl, a computer nerd who would let me go home with her. She was a princess, she kinda looked Venetian. I was so hot for words, I could barely keep the heat in. Charles Strippy appeared when I was feeling like a tool, right? He passed me a beer, I thought Charlie is so cool like, but still I hesitated. With a pause and a vlog brother yelled, don't forget to be awesome.